Hi Taurus! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng April 2024. Current energy check-in to at 4 p.m. April 28, 2024 natin ginawa tong reading na to. And remember na ito ay isang collective reading, so maaaring mag-resonate sa certain collective energy na china-channel natin at maaaring hindi mag-resonate sa ilan sa inyo. So it only means na yung reading na to ay hindi para sa inyo. Who knows, I will tap into your energy next month reading. Okay? And sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings, guys. Okay? And, okay, Taurus, isa-shuffle lang muna natin yung mga cards in front of the camera. And I'll see you in few seconds, Collective Taurus. So, welcome back again, Taurus. Simulan na natin ang inyong general life reading sa buwan ng April. Sa ganap na 4:02 p.m. April 28, 2024, current energy check-in to, maaaring mag-resonate on the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? From today. Are you ready, Taurus? Simulan na natin. Okay. So, at position 1, Taurus, meron tayong, wow, first time lumabas nito. So far, sa lahat ng reading natin, I think, pang-walo kayo so far sa ginawa ko ngayon. Joan of Arc, Voice of Truth. First time lumabas si Joan of Arc. Nice. Okay. Position 2, nandyan si Diana, Focus, Intention. Lagi siyang lumalabas. Kasi she's all about intentions. Okay? And desires. Now, at position 3, nandyan ang Miriam. So, Miriam, Sacred Vision, no? Kung makikita mo, parang twin flame to or reflection. Okay? First time din yung lumabas sa reading so far for this month of April. Wow, interesting, no? Position 4, Taurus, nandyan si, ito laging lumalabas sa lahat. Ito yung cover ng deck natin, yung Keepers of the Light Oracle card by Kyle Gray. Oracle deck, sorry. Holy Amethyst, Divine Alchemy. Okay? Yan ang position 4. At 5th position, lumabas ulit si The Shekinah, Sacred Self. Okay? And at 6th position, nandyan naman si, I think first time yung lumabas, no? Indian Guru siguro to. Mahavatar Babaji, Soul Expansion. If I'm not mistaken, no? Parang first time niya rin lumabas. And at the center, Taurus, Isis, Magic Manifesting. Kasi Isis lumalabas pero hindi naman frequently. Okay? So, simulan na natin ang inyong reading, Taurus. Alright? So, sa first reading, first card pala, si Joan of Arc is ang release position mo. No? So, sabi dito, no, she's the voice of truth. May kinalaman to sa communication or sa throat chakra mo. Okay? Ang sabi dito, stand strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. Maybe at this time or in the recent past lang, no, you came across this reading para sabihin sa inyo na it's about time na don't be afraid, no, to share yung mga saloobin mo, okay? Or yung kasi takot tayo na baka ma-judge tayo in a wrong way, ma-misinterpret, or maka-displease, no? Hindi masiyahan yung iba sa sasabihin natin. Pero it's about, you know, coming to terms sa kung ano rin yung gusto mong ipahiwatig or ipaalam, okay? Especially yung mga nararamdaman at iniisip mo. Kailangan, wag nating kimkimin, no? Kailangan ma-express mo to, but in a good way, okay? Sinasabi kasi rito, no, stand strong, focus on your purpose, okay? Yung sinasabi mo dito, or yung mga communication or information na gusto mong sabihin, I think in alignment siya saka ano ang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. And don't be afraid na sabihin yun, to let it know sa mga situations or sa mga connections mo kung ano yung sa loobin mo, okay, mga nararamdaman mo. Kasi in alignment kasi siya dapat, or in alignment siya dun sa moral values mo, sa standards mo. Alright? And it's a good thing. Huwag kang daw matakot. Don't be afraid na, kumbaga, ikaw to against many na who think the same, who behave the same way. Huwag kang matakot maging different, okay? Kasi they need to see you for who you are, okay? Now, at the second position, yung kailangan mong pagpatuloy, lumabas na naman si Goddess Diana. Archer siya, no? Like Artemis. Focus intention. Kasi, pag archery, di ba, nakatrain na ang mata nila sa bullseye as much as possible, okay? So, think about what you desire. Ito yung kailangan mong pagpatuloy. So, isipin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Okay? Sa career, sa business, sa family, sa other relationships mo, or love life. Set your sights high. So, do not compromise, no? If archer ka, syempre, kung sasali tayo sa archery competition, ang gusto mo, bullseye. Hindi ka magsasettle sa 10 points, sa 15 points. So, yun yun. Huwag mo yung lower yung standard mo. Huwag mo i-compromise yung standard mo for any situation or anyone. Okay? Expect the best possible outcome lagi sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. Okay? Do not settle for mediocrity or low standards. Kung hindi naman talaga yun ang ang goal mo. Parang you're targeting for the bullseye, pero you're okay naman to receive lesser than that, but you always do your best. Okay? Yun yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy dito. And iisipin mo lagi, ititrain mo yung perception mo, kasi intention to, no? So, tingnan mo siya, napaka seryoso na mukha ni Diana, ang ganda-ganda niya, pero nakafocus siya doon sa gusto niyang ma-achieve. Okay? So, tingnan mo yung eyes niya, napaka strong, no? At focus. So, dapat ganun, huwag tayo magkaroon ng distraction sa mga intentions natin. Okay? Dapat in alignment yan sa kung ano ang dinedesire mo, no? Voice of truth and focus intention. Ngayon, dun sa manifestation mo, first time lumabas ng the Miriam, so parang kambal to, secret vision. Vision. Yung goal mo, intention, and voice of truth. Tingnan mo to si Diana, train yung eye niya to the goal. Ganun din to. Secret vision naman. So, ang sabi, let me read for you, no? Choose to forgive in order to heal. Sa manifestations mo to, para ka makapag-manifest ng mga bagong simula sa reality mo right now, no? There are things na kailangan patawarin natin. Okay? Prerequisite to, guys. Okay? See the light in all. So, when you forgive, kailangan, it's coming from the feeling or the vibration na pinatawad mo siya kasi you see something good in that person, something good about forgiving this person, and for letting go of the past hurts. Okay? You forgive because, alam mo yun, hindi dahil sa napipilitan tayo, but because we have to forgive someone para rin sa ikabubuti mo. Okay? See the light in all, na nakikita mo pa rin na may kagandahan sa tao na yun or sa situation sa nangyari, no? At para rin sa'yo. Okay? See the light in all. So, it's about your perspective, no? Pag nagpapatawad tayo, kailangan bukal sa kalooban natin na talagang pinatawad na natin tong taong to. Okay? Or yung situation na to. Remember that love has no boundaries. It's a matter of parang unconditional na love or forgiveness na kaya natin ibigay sa situation and to the people around us. Yun yung sa manifestation mo. For some reason kasi, parang we're trying to bring in something sa reality natin, di ba? Yun ang position 3. Ang issue ngayon right now, to bring in something sa reality mo, so be it love, relationship, family, stability, security, money, yan, no? Kailangan optimistic ka, no? Yung perspective mo is in alignment dun sa gusto mong i-bring in sa reality mo. Huwag tayong titingnan natin ng isang situation in a negative way or yung mga connection and people in a negative way. Kasi yun yung maa-attract mo. Okay? Remember na yung love has no boundaries. So, sometimes, magpo-fall din to sa unconditional love. Yung walang parameter, walang reason. It's just that we choose to be in the light, na to see the good things sa mga situation and people. So, it's a matter of perspective, no? You love yourself, then you treat yourself kindly. You love the people around you as well. You treat them kindly. Okay? Ganun yung kasimple. Yung sa manifestation mo, parang may roadblock ka, no, about forgiveness. And healing, okay? And about seeing things in a good way pa rin. No matter ano man yung end result, and all be all niyan, kung maganda or hindi, nakikita mo na may goodness or may something good out of it na nangyari. Okay, yun sa manifestation. Para makapag-manifest ka ng mga good things, you need to fix also your perception. Okay, now at position 4, nandito si Holy Amethyst, Divine Alchemy. Like I said, ito yung external energy. Nandiyan na naman si Holy Amethyst. Divine Alchemy, yung parang you're turning something, no? May biniblend tayo and turn it into something like magic or miracle. Sa metaphysics, sometimes, when something good happens to us, nag-drawing ka ng positive energy, no? So, it only means na, ang tawag natin doon, manifestation. Sa belief system natin, like sa Christian, we call it miracle. Okay? It's just a matter of, whatever is your belief system, anong tawag mo sa something good that happened to you na you're trying to parang i-achieve, di ba? So, divine alchemy yon. Move beyond current challenges. So, may external energies mo, pinupwersa ka i-shake up yung things, i-fix yung mga situations and connections, malampasan mo yung mga challenges at problema mo. Okay? Pinuforce ka na malagpasan yon. To do something, act on it para ma-solve mo yung mga problema mo or mga obstacles mo and challenges. Focus lang lagi daw sa dinidesire mo. Pag nag-focus ka sa dinidesire mo kasi, nandiyan si focus, intention, at sacred vision. Remember that. Pag nag-focus ka dun sa mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari, instead sa mga bagay na hindi nag-take off, no? Yun nga sabi, no? See the light in all. Focus ka sa mga bagay at magagandang bagay na gusto mong mangyari at nangyari na, no? It will aid you na mas, mag-push ka na maging positive yung perception mo sa mga current challenges. Kung may external energy dito na ini-encourage ka na i-fix mo, do something about it sa mga problem mo. I don't know kung anong klaseng push yan, but maybe it's coming sa inner desire mo nga na may gusto kang ma-achieve. For some reason, no? Yun yung sinasabi sa position 4. At 5th position, nandiyan si Shekinah, Sacred Self, no? Ang sabi ni Shekinah, ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo, no? Unleash your spirit. So, magpakatotoo tayo. Magpaka-transparent tayo in a good way. Huwag tayong mahiya na or matakot na ipakita kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Okay? Express your gift. Kung ano yung talent mo. Kung healer ka, then explore it. Kung magaling ka sa communication, then route on a career or parang business na doon ka magta-try. No? So, express your gift. Huwag kang mahiya. Dance to the sacred rhythm of life. So, basically, sinasabi dito, kailangan ibigay sa sarili mo. Enjoy mo yung mga talent and gifts na meron ka ngayon. And just enjoy basically life and continue living. Yun yung sinasabi dito. Live at the moment. I-unleash mo yung spirit of parang kung medyo for a while nakalimutan natin na kung sino talaga tayo, it's about time to rediscover yourself, no, and express it and pakilala mo kung sino ka talaga. I felt like may mga things na hino-hold back ka for so long na kaya some people don't really know who you are. Yung parang ganun yung nararamdaman ko dito, Sacred Self. Okay, now Taurus at 6th position, lumabas ang isang Indian guru, Mahavatar Babaji, Soul Expansion. Ito yung mga new beginnings mo. Sa new beginnings, ang sabi daw, soul expansion. So, let's read, no? Ang sabi, your consciousness is expanding. Kasi hindi ka naman pupunta sa reading na to kung hindi ka naman consciously aware about spirituality or metaphysical things, diba? Kung hindi ka religious, hindi ka pupunta dito. Soul expansion, you understand the connection between all things. So, sa new beginnings mo, I think, no, medyo ang lawak ng, ng perception mo sa buhay. No, sa mga new beginnings mo. I don't know if it's coming from past experiences or mga lessons, but it feels like parang matured ka. So, papasok ka sa mga bagong simula na completely different ka, no? Yung point of view mo, yung perception mo, is really different dun sa kung ano yung past self mo. Okay? So, magiging malaki yung improvement mo, especially soul and spiritually, matured. Okay? For some reason, baka may mga spiritual work ka na ginagawa lately na nakakontribute sa mga new beginnings mo to start something na mas, alam mo yon, mas focus sa mga intentions mo, sa desires mo, instead of focusing doon sa half glass empty na tinatawag natin. Okay? Now, at the center, nandiyan si Isis, magic manifesting. Okay, siya pinaka-powerful goddess sa ancient Egypt, okay? Ang sabi ni Isis, your dreams, visions, and goals are becoming reality. Stay focused. So, tinutulungan ka, no? Ginaguide ka nila na dapat daw, wag kang malose track dun sa mga dreams mo, sa vision mo, sa goals mo, okay? Because it's only a matter of time na mangyayari yan. Ang kailangan mong gawin, sinasabi ni Diana, focus, intention. Tapos, ang sinabi dito, see the light in all. So, stay positive lang lagi tayo sa ating, the way we see things. Kasi kung ang perception natin or vision natin is clouded, medyo mahihirapan tayo to speak our truth. Okay? Okay, focus daw on your purpose. Okay, huwag tayo magpa-influence sa mga external energies, no, na maaring, alam mo yung ma-distract ka or maging ma-out of the way ka dun sa goal mo. So, focus, and then stay focused lang, and you can manifest anything that you desire. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi dito. So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa reading na to, Taurus. If it doesn't resonate, maybe you can take a look on your next month reading. Take care, Taurus. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, guys. Bye, Taurus.